Hello, and good morning. We are on our day 3 of our Create Your Online Course in 3 Days challenge. And today we will focus on the sales funnel. So we're going to build our checkout, our offer, an irresistible offer, customize the sales page, connect everything, have a thank you page, and how you can create a discount coupon. Today's session is all about maximizing conversions, and we're setting up the systems to make people say yes to what we're selling, right? So the checkout, the sales page, the discount coupon will help you attract students, create a smooth purchase experience so that you can monetize your course effectively. Okay, so let's dive in. For those of you that don't know me, basically I'm Maria from the Dominican Republic. I'm a Kajabi hero. I means I sell inside Kajabi my own. I have my own online business that started back in the pandemic in 2020 when my offline school closed, and I decided to sign up to Kajabi to a 28-day trial. And before that trial ended, before I paid for Kajabi, I was selling already, and that's what I want for you. Eventually, I became a Kajabi partner. As a partner, well, with my online business, I've scaled up to 6 figures. As a partner to 5 figures, and became an online business coach and Kajabi expert. So now, through my agency, SoluSync, we help coaches, consultants, experts, creators to build and automate their online business. I'm a wife. I'm a mom. A 2-year-old toddler, a baby on the way. I'm 36 weeks pregnant while doing this live today. And I started my career in business management. Work led me to discover a passion. I started working early age. My mom passed away when I was 15, and I really felt like I needed to do something in my life just to feel peace of mind that I would be able to afford myself. And my passion is online business, digital marketing, branding, and that's what led me there from business management was working. So yes, I always recommend any teenager start working soon because you'll realize what you actually enjoy and you don't in life. Okay, so let's begin. We're on our day 3. What have we done up to now? Day 1, we built a course structure. We customized the course template. We added a navigation menu. On day 2, we created the experience, a welcome email, a quiz, a certificate. Today, we're going to work on our checkout offer, our sales page, thank you page, and how you can create a coupon code and integrate all of this. But before we dive in, you need a Kajabi account. And Kajabi, only until tonight, midnight, has 50% off Kajabi for 12 months. I'm sorry, remember I'm pregnant. Sometimes I can't read. And on their website, they only offer 6 months. So this is a no-brainer. With my link, you can access 12 months and some done-for-you services, okay? So if you use my affiliate link, you will receive an email from Kajabi Support telling you your next steps to redeem your setup with my agency, up to 10 video lessons, your basic sales page, and your checkout page. Additionally to that, I'll give to my Kajabi Kickstart course. And inside my Facebook group, you can ask me any questions and I'll be there for you. If you see this, when that promo has ended, then you can go to mariataveras.com/Kajabi and get a 30-day trial. My Kajabi Kickstart course access on the Facebook group. And if you become a paid customer, I will schedule with you a 60-minute strategy call that's right now offered at $300. Okay, so we're done with day 1. We started the look and feel, the course content, the structure, yesterday's students experience. Let's go ahead with our checkout and offer. Okay, so let me share my screen on my Kajabi demo account. I'm right here. I'm already inside Kajabi. And let me show you quickly what we've done. If we go to products and we go to courses, we started building a course that's called Christmas with Our Aunt Cooks. That's an affiliate of mine, and I was helping her. We showed how to build modules, lessons, add content. We showed how to do live streams inside Kajabi. You don't need Zoom. We personalized her product so it has the look and feel of her brand so she can be cohesive. Okay. We also created a quiz. Let me show you right here. We added a quiz. Let me see. Where's the quiz? I can't find it now. Let's click here on. Where's the quiz? Here it is. We created this quiz. If people click on it, has multiple choice, check boxes, short answer, and upload a file. That's something you can do for your own brand. We also did a certificate. Let me preview that. We did this certificate, and we worked on our welcome email. So that's what we've done the prior days. This is the welcome email that the students receive when they purchase this course, okay? So now let's focus on our checkout offer. How do we do this? We go to sales and offers, and it already created for me one of my offers. Otherwise, I would click on new offer. Let's open it and see everything that we can add here. We can add a title, the name, and then we have an internal title. What I actually do is always add the price to the internal title so that I can see if I have two pricing cards, two pricing plans, I know which is which. I can add a description of the course if I have it. I can add a product. For example, if you're building a membership or a bundle, you can add more than one product here. So the product as of now, it's only this course. If you want, for example, to pre-sale this week, but have them consume the content on December 1st, then you can begin the access dates at a specific date. So they can purchase today, they can log in, but they won't be able to see the videos yet. If you want to restrict access after 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, then you can put here, for example, 1 year, 365 days, and Kajabi automatically will revoke their access, okay? If you want, after people purchase, to be able to see a page instead of their library, like a thank you page, a welcome page, you can add an existing landing page, or you can add a message and create your custom thank you page. But I always prefer designing a landing page for that. And we have to automate a subscription to an email sequence. So yesterday we built our email sequence and we added the trigger that if people purchase, they receive this, okay? So if it weren't here, I would come inside, add automation, offer is purchase, then subscribe to an email sequence, and I would choose my welcome cooking class welcome email sequence. I can add an image that represents this course, and I would click published if I'm ready. What else can we do inside an offer in Kajabi? The pricing. I have no payment processor connected here, so it only allows me to create a free offer. However, you would be able to choose one-time payments, multiple payments, or a subscription, weekly, monthly, annually, memberships, or subscription services you would choose. You can use with Kajabi, Stripe, PayPal, or Kajabi Payments, which is Stripe white labeled, but allows you to use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Klarna, and Afterpay, I'm sorry. This I love. Let's say you're only selling 10 spots. You would put here 10. What happens after? Send them to a sold out page or redirect them to a landing page. Or we're closing cart on the 30th, then we can choose a date, and when the offer expires, send them to an expired page or a landing page. Upsells. This is amazing. What can you do with an app upsell? Increase your average order value. So when people purchase this, imagine on the thank you page, they see a new offer at a discounted price from the regular offer on my website, but only because they purchased. And you can add an upsell or a downsell. So this is very interesting because you increase your average order value. If we go to settings, we always want to send ourselves an email when someone purchases. I'm going to add my email here. If you still use, for example, MailChimp for email. Why would you if you're paying Kajabi? But it's an example. If a student was at the checkout and we know their email, we can send an abandonment email. And Kajabi has an affiliates program. So if you have affiliates, you can activate a commission, let's say 30% for them. Kajabi doesn't pay out, but gives you the report of how much they've made for you to pay themselves. Let's edit our checkout. And quickly, I'm going to show you one of my checkouts. This is for one of my online course. This is my mobile photography course. Doing it in English just so you can see the sales page. And I'm showing you this because I want you to see my checkout page, just so you know how different it could look from what it brings, okay? So be creative enough to fill this in, add images, text, formatting, and put it very pretty, okay? So page content, we have the offer title. I can add a description. Look how I have this description, for example, here. This description only shows if you use the regular checkout. However, I'm going to show you how to use a pop-up checkout on your sales page, and this description doesn't appear on a pop-up checkout. If you want to, you can add a video and add social proof and testimonials of what people are saying. On design, we can change the call to action color. And let's say we just want to put buy now. We can do that here. We can enable a banner if we want. For example, that's at, well, it was not that I wanted to do. However, I will, just so that you can see. Imagine there's a banner that represents the brand she has or anything like that. I can add her logo if I want here. Let's see if she has a white logo only. Okay, it could work like this. Click save. And there we can see, okay, I think this is too tall. Let's add 80. And you can play around with that banner. That's completely optional. If you don't want, you don't put that there, okay? And now I'm going to go back. And on the form field, you can collect more information, like the name, the address, if you want to know where they're from, their phone number, or you can even add a custom field. I'm sorry. Sorry. In additional settings, we can collect passwords when they purchase, but this only works on this checkout, not on the pop-up checkout. If we want, we can make them accept our terms and conditions or customer service agreement. For example, let's say a therapist or a doctor could say that this course is not like a consultancy from a doctor. It's just teaching you something, for example, or whatever. Example text here, and that will add a checkbox to my forms. Okay, and if I go back, we have the order bump. So the order bump, I love to explain it as when you're at the grocery store, when you're at the checkout and you're going to pay and you purchase a chocolate because it's $2, $3, this is always a product or service relevant to what they're purchasing, but that's a lower cost than what they're purchasing, okay? So for example, if I have another, well, it's a free offer, so it's not allowing me to, but I'm going to show you, for example, my digital marketing course in Spanish, where I do have here a bump offer. So that's, you have an idea. This is $100, and then they have a bump offer for $47. Okay. All right. So let's say we're done. I'm going to go back. And now we have to do our sales page. So what do we do with our sales page? We go to website. We go to landing pages. And let's click a new landing page for you to see all the templates that Kajabi provides for you as a sales template. These ones that you see here, these are the ones that you can use as a sales page. Let's view all of them. Okay, so for example, let's say I choose this one as a sales page test. And let me show you a bit of what you can do on this sales page. What kind of things go on a sales page? It's taking its time. Let's see if maybe it's done. And it appears like it's thinking. Okay, customize this one. Hopefully it will open. Okay. So first thing first, I would remove completely the menu. A landing page, a sales page doesn't have to distract people. It should only send to one goal, people to purchase your products, okay? So what kind of things can we add here? We can add a title, for example. We can add a subtitle, how to achieve their desired outcome in their time frame. Okay, a subtitle. You can add a countdown, for example, here. If we would want a countdown, sorry. So you start modifying all the content, changing colors, for example, in this case, for this course, we can have the color that she uses for her background here. And she also uses pink. So I'd say the call to action, we're going to make it orange, pink. However, instead of adding more sections, let's go to settings. And first thing, always add your favicon. What's the favicon? Basically, if I go to my website, to my agency, and to my school, this little symbol that you see up top, that's a favicon, okay? So we added her favicon and the style guide. What's the style guide? Where I can change the primary colors of the site. So for buttons, I'm going to use the pink with a dark color. Let's click save and you'll see how it starts changing. And I know her font is Poppins. Maybe you feel like I'm going fast, but this is a video, so you can always pause and move on, okay? For you to be working. The font colors as well, we can work. So for example, if I want her blue color here for the fonts, or I could even use a dark pink. Let's try that. And the body font on her blue color. I'm gonna click save. So we have our hero section where we added the title and the subtitle. Then what else can we do here? We can add an introduction to the main frustration of our audience. So here, let's say we do the following. Add an introduction so that they can picture themselves. So this is the problem. Address the fear they have, the solution they haven't been able to find, okay? Then we can have here our first social proof. So I'm gonna add a text so you have an idea. And I have to make this block to stay on its own row. I want to be at a line to the center and I'll move it upwards. And I can even play with the background so that I'm changing colors, right? And playing with the brand. I could add images here that represent each, let's say, social proof or case study right there. Then we can add the future thinking. For example, let's make this one pink. I'm just playing with contrasting one space or the other. And here we can add the future thinking. For example, imagine planning your holidays without worrying about debt or financial stress, whatever. What are they thinking ahead? What are they looking for in life? Okay. If we want to add a call to action, we can do that right here. Then we can add your biography. So for your bio, I would want to have an image with a text. Let's say we can use this section, and I'm going to add an image, make it 6 columns, and here will go your bio. Okay? So for example, in this case, for this affiliate, this is her image. I would add it right there. Let's make that 5 because it doesn't have a lot of resolution. 4. There we go. Then we can mention what are the benefits or results that this course will provide. So let's say, we have our hero section. We have a text with our introduction to the fear. We have first social proof. You have future thinking that they have. We have your biography, the expert's biography. And now I would want to add benefits or results. For this, I can add text and image, for example, and mention the benefits that my course can provide. This is not the same as the logistics or features of your course, okay? Let me add a picture. Oh, and for example, Kajabi is paying Adobe stock for you. So in my case that I'm selling a Christmas online course, I can find here Christmas recipe, and I have stock content if I need, okay? And I would click save, I don't know, there we go. Let's wait until it works. After that, I can add more social proof. So I could add more testimonials maybe. This is taking its time. Let me click save. There we go. So if we want to add more testimonials, there's a section here called testimonials. There's so many things you can add to a Kajabi site. I have a training on designing the Kajabi site, so find that one. And here we can add more social proof. Okay. Oh, I did that wrong. So I would have my testimonial one here. Number 2 here and number 3 here, okay? Let's make this stay on its own block, on its own row. Bring it up top, make it wider and centered. Click save. Then we can add course or program features. So this would be interesting if maybe we can have, let me see, after we added the bio, we did this FAQ, don't go here. We added the benefits. Then we added some more social proof. And now let's include a text and image. However, I want this image to be up top. I want it to be on its own line because I want it to be a mock-up of my course, okay? And then here I can mention the course or program features that I will have here, basically, okay? If you have any bonus to add even more value, we can add them here. These are the features. Let's just add a text alone, or it could be a 3-column text, and then we can add the main title here that says the bonus elements. Let's make that 9 wide, place on its own block, align to the center, bring up top, and I would add here some of those bonuses if I had them ready. So these are all examples. You don't have to do it exactly like I'm doing it, but I'm providing you an idea of usually what goes on a sales page, okay? And finally, your pricing cards. So for the pricing card, we would go back. Let's put here that this is a bonus under feature. Now, pricing cards. So we have 3 pricing cards or the pricing card option that only has one with a text beside. I'm going to use this one for now. And you would put here the pricing, okay? So it's a one-time payment or whatever. In this case, this course, Aaron Cook's Christmas. It's 30, one-time payment. And we can add information. For example, if it's immediate access, how it works, how much content it has, and so on. I'm going to click save there. Let's make this background an image background. For example, select an image like this one or this. Add a background color. That could be the blue color that she uses for her brand. I'm going to make this wider and this one smaller. Okay. I can make the price a different color here, even green, so that people can actually see it. Okay. We can add urgency if we want, with a countdown, for example. Add a countdown. And we have there. Obviously, ignore the time. That was an example of an evergreen funnel. If you're offering a warrant guarantee, then you would add, for example, full text that explains that. And then we can add all the questions. So we have FAQ and a final call to action if you want. Okay. So for example, I didn't do a lot of, I didn't focus too much on design here, but for this, the purpose of this course here, instead of this is a framework for you on how to do copyright. So here we can add, delight your loved ones with unique Christmas recipes in just 6 easy steps. Discover the simple yet flavorful recipes inspired by Dominican traditions to elevate your holidays. A video of you, a video sales letter, or an image, okay? A countdown, a call to action. Are you tired of the same old holiday recipes? Do you want to bring something fresh? Blah, 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 blah. Then comes social proof. So what are people saying about this? Sorry. Okay. Then the future thinking. Imagine a Christmas full of compliments and smiles. Picture your loved ones enjoying your meals, every bite, marveling the flavors, asking for seconds about anything they try. Meet your instructor, who you are, your biography, your expertise. What do you get? What's inside, basically. Easy to follow instructions. You're going to feel more confident, blah, blah, blah. More social proof. Then what it includes, these are your 6 recipes, your 6 videos, etc. Then the pricing card or the bonus, your pricing card, the guarantee, frequently asked questions. For example, do I need to know how to cook to be able to take this course, and a final call to action. So now we have to connect our sales page with our checkout offer. So I would click on my pricing card, on its call to action, and I have 2 options. First call to action could be go to a checkout page, and I can choose my product, click save, and if I go into my pricing and click on buy now, it's taking me to a checkout page that we did. However, I love Kajabi's pop-up checkout, where if I click this and preview, we have a pop-up checkout. It doesn't open on a new window, but notice it doesn't have all the details, the description that the regular checkouts have. Okay, So I wanted you to make sure that you understand that difference on the checkout page. So as soon as I have a checkout here, since I already added automations to my checkout offer, then I don't have to do further things to connect. Okay, so we have our checkout offer ready, sales page offer. We can create a thank you page. How? We go back and we do the same process. Or either we create a new landing page, and if we see new landing pages here, there are many templates that you can use. Where are the thank you pages? Here they are. Or what I do is I duplicate my sales page, so I already have the branding, the look and feel, and hide all sections and just leave a thank you message there for them. Okay? So last but not least, I want you to understand how to use coupon codes. So we're going to go to sales and coupons, and let's click on get started. If, for example, you're going to use a Black 15 for a 50% discount on Black Friday, you can add a percent off or an amount. Is it $5 or is it a 15% discount? Will it be once if it's a membership, for example, or forever? For example, I have a membership where I help business owners, online business owners, create their business and automate, and I teach them everything about Kajabi and strategy and so on. And all my affiliates have a 50% off, so that's forever. Okay, let's say this is a Black Friday offer, so it will end on the 30th, continue. And since I don't have a paid offer, it won't show me any offer here. However, I would click on which offer this applies to, so that my coupon doesn't work on my full sites, and it's going to provide you with the exact link you can send on an email, or people can just add their coupon code to the checkout page. Okay, so we're done. We have an offer, we have a sales page, it's connected, it will show a thank you page if you added, if there's a discount if you need, and now it's time for you to start building and start selling. If you're watching this before November 15th midnight, then remember you can apply to a 50% off on Kajabi for 1 full year instead of 6 months they're offering on their website, and my team will help you set up your initial 10 lessons, your first 10 lessons on your course, your basic sales page, and your checkout page. If you're watching this after November 15th, midnight, then go to mariataveras.com/Kajabi and start your 30-day free trial on their website. They only offer 14 days. I will gift you my Kajabi Kickstart course, access to me on my Facebook group, and if you become a paid customer, I will schedule a 60-minute strategy call with you to help you. But hurry up, because this won't last forever. You've got homework to do. So please sign up to Kajabi, mariataveras.com/Kajabi. Set up a welcome email. No, that's what you did yesterday. I'm sorry. Set up your checkouts page, creating an offer. Create your sales page, customize it. Create a thank you page, a discount coupon, and start selling this. Okay? If you're not ready on the content, pre-sell this and just at a specific date when they will have access to all the content. All right. So thank you so much for joining me during this 3-day challenge. I really hope you learned something new. You are able to scale with Kajabi, your business, grow your business, change lives through what you do, and change your life as well. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this. And sign up to Kajabi. Let me be the strategist that will walk you, be your right hand on the process towards your growth. Have a great day and an amazing week.